So, good morning. I've just let... They're all eating. Morning. Did you just say good morning? Or he? Very hungry this morning, I think. So, pretty impressive. Look at these spring onions. Spring onions are going well. Plum trees, plums are over now, I think. But then we've got all these amazing wildflowers that we have in the house that I've planted. As you can see, more plum trees, flowers that we have in the house. Nice little cobweb. And then, what else do we have? Tell you what are doing very well over here. Kale. Look at that. Kale is doing very well. Have a bit of red cabbage. Red cabbage is doing great. Not ready, but doing great. And we have cabbage. So, not bad. Then we have a lot of potatoes. And today I actually am going to make some crisps, because I'm a savoury person, not sweet. So here we have potatoes, and more room for potatoes. I think we might have a few potatoes. And then, this is something that we're working on, berries. So this is the berry area. As you can see, Sage trying to get in over there, and Olive trying to get in over there. Trying to get into my chickens and hens. Chicken and hen. So, morning update from Mr. Titmarsh.